So this is my 2023 Beta 390 Race Edition. I've got about 10 hours on this guy. So what I'm going to do is dedicate a channel strictly to the Beta 390. We'll go through the life of this bike over the next 12 months. I've already made a few changes. I've added some Artec frame guards. Took the stock ones off. I like the Artec because it comes with the extension that protects the plastic subframe right here. I've also added the AXP Extreme skid plate. I tried a couple others, for example the Polysport, but with the lower header arrangement, getting to this bolt is just about near impossible. I had to modify the guard, plus it left a lot of open areas to the case on both sides. So this is a nice frame guard, the AXP Extreme. It's got the extra protection down here for the linkage, which is pretty nice. Ooh, look at that! I got me a present in there. Nice stick from the last race. I have the original tires. I'm still running the Metzeler 6-day Extreme tire in the back. It's probably the same in the front, the Extreme in the front. I have done a headlight delete, and I've also added some of these Moose Racing handguards, which are nice because they bolt right up to the brake and to the clutch purchase, which are real nice. You'll also notice that I have a green button, which is not normal, and I've got a red button over here. Amazon specials. Had them shipped directly from the rainforest, I think. But I've deleted the big switch, and I've put my individual switches so that it's something I'm more comfortable with. I haven't yet deleted the brake light switches, but I'll change some banjo bolts out over the life of this bike, and we'll delete these things as well as the one down here, and probably the rear one as well once I find it. But after 10 hours, I like the bike. It seems to have plenty of power. For reference, I'm coming off of a Husky FC450, so we'll go through some of the changes of the life of this bike as I ride it. I've got a new set of graphics I'll be putting on this bike, which will be pretty nice. We'll talk about different companies. Rival Inc. is one that does it. They've done the last set I did, but I'm running a new series. I'm going to run some of the full gas races, so I had to change my number, and we'll be putting those graphics on. But my first impressions, I like the bike. I've made some mistakes. Started one race. I've raced it twice. One race I decided, I'm going to be like a professional and adjust my throttle at the line, and the bike did not want to start. I have completely confused that stepper motor, and I had to do a full reset. I was able to bump the idle up to get me through the race, but afterwards I had to do a stepper motor to get this thing running right. I did change the seat cover out. I put me a gut seat. It's got the factory foam underneath it, but still I wanted the ribs. You know, it's ribbed for my pleasure. I did put a what is that, a nice Chinese gas cap on there. I ran this problem with the Husky, as the vent tube ran all the way over here to this little fitting, and then it stained my frame because I had a white frame. That's how old it was. Messed it up. I almost messed these AXP radiator braces. These are nice. I like the big composite, just like the skid plate in the front. It's got the bracing. I did have a tip over first ride, and it kind of dented the radiator. Thought that was kind of soft. With the AXP braces, I did include a fan kit, one of the Spall fan kits. I have mixed reviews about this, because when that fan kicks on, it gives me the hot crotch for sure. It blows that hot air right across my crotch, and I'm not sure if I really even need it. I don't think the bike gets that hot. I think this thermostat, the temperature control opens at like 180. I don't know if I need that, so I may put a manual switch here in the near future so I can turn it on and off as I need it. But yeah, so far I like the bike. Like I said, it's only got 10 hours on it. Since I deleted the dash, I've got an external hour meter that I put on. I've only had the bike for about 2 months now, so you know, we'll go through it. All right, well, that's a quick rundown of this bike. It's a 23 Beta 390 Race Edition, and hope you watch for more updates. I got some more stuff we'll be adding to it. Be doing the graphics kit. I've got a X-Trig preload adjuster I'll be putting on the bike, as well as some other nifty items. All right, talk to you guys later.